Hi, boys and girls. The last book in our animal series is called Animal Life Cycles. People begin life as a baby. They grow and develop and get bigger and stronger and grow into adults. Many people have babies and continue the cycle of life. A life cycle shows how living things grow, change, and reproduce during their life. All animals have life cycles. Their life cycles are different depending on what kind of animal they are. Mammals, fish, reptiles, birds, and some invertebrates go through simple life cycles that are similar. Remember, boys and girls, similar means the same. Each of these types of animals are first born or hatched from eggs. When mammals, fish, reptiles, birds, and some invertebrates are born, they usually look like small versions of their parents. As time passes, they grow into an adult. They may reproduce and create more of their species. Each animal will eventually die. Amphibians have a different type of life cycle. They go through what is called a metamorphosis. A metamorphosis is a change from one type of animal to another. Most amphibians are hatched from eggs. In the next stage, they live underwater and breathe with gills. As they grow into adults, their body changes again. They develop lungs and live on land. As time passes, they will eventually reproduce and then die. Some invertebrates, like the butterfly, go through a complete metamorphosis. They first hatch from an egg as a caterpillar. They form a pupa and then over time change into a whole new species called a butterfly. The adult butterfly reproduces and then dies. Life cycles repeat over and over and over again. Even though all animals eventually die, they reproduce to make more of their own kind, and this is how animal species continue to live on Earth. If an animal species does not reproduce enough, or if humans hunt too many of them, they become extinct. If an animal species becomes extinct, it means that there are no longer any more of that species left on Earth. How sad, boys and girls. Some animals go through life cycle stages that are similar, like mammals, fish, birds, reptiles, and some invertebrates. Amphibians and other invertebrates go through different changes during their life cycles. Life cycles show how living things are born, grow, and reproduce, and die all during their lifetimes. Well, boys and girls, that's the end of our animal series. I hope you learned a lot about animals.